Want to save $10,000 without drastic lifestyle changes? You're in the right place. With just 6 simple money hacks, you can make saving easier while enjoying your life. First, let's talk about automation. Treat your savings like a bill. As soon as your paycheck arrives, transfer a set amount to your savings account. This way, you won't be tempted to spend it. Even starting small, like $100 a week, can add up to over $5,000 in a year. Next, we have zero-based budgeting. This process assigns every dollar a purpose. Your income minus your expenses should equal zero. Knowing exactly where your money goes eliminates unnecessary spending and secures your savings as a priority. Now let's cut those recurring expenses. Look for subscription services and memberships you no longer use. Canceling just a few can save you hundreds a year and encourages smarter spending in the future. Onto impulse spending, apply the 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something non-essential, wait a day. Most of the time, the urge will fade, saving you money. Next, let's hack your grocery shopping. Meal plan for the week, make a grocery list, and don't shop hungry. Using coupons and bulk buying can help you save big without feeling deprived. Finally, consider boosting your income. Side hustles, freelance gigs, and passive income streams can increase your earnings. Extra money can go directly into savings, accelerating your financial growth. To successfully implement these strategies, it's important to be patient and adaptable. Understand that small changes can lead to significant results, and don't hesitate to tweak your approach. By staying committed to your financial goals and adjusting your tactics when necessary, you will find the best methods that work for you and meet your lifestyle. Everything you need to reach that $10,000 mark is achievable when you apply these practical hacks routinely. Opportunity for financial stability awaits if you actively pursue your savings dreams. Remember, the key is mindset and discipline. Focus on small, consistent actions over time, and trust that every step will contribute to your goal. Your financial future begins now. Your goal of saving $10,000 is within reach. Success in saving doesn't require perfection. Rather, it's about making informed decisions and adjustments along the way. The key? These aren't drastic lifestyle changes. They're smart habits you can start today that build on each other. Over time, you'll be shocked how quickly that $10,000 or more piles up. Start now and watch your financial future brighten effortlessly.